Good afternoon, everyone. It's wonderful to be back at Abu Dhabi Sustainability Week. Wonderful to see so many familiar faces. And I have to thank Sustainability Week for welcoming UAE's Food Tech Challenge to this incredible platform for progress. As you all know very well, the need for innovation in food systems has never been greater. And of course, that's not unique to UAE. A growing global population needs secure access to food. Climate change is reshaping how that food can be produced, and gaps in the supply chain mean that too much of what we produce is lost. And as more countries face similar challenges, we are committed to innovation that benefits all, particularly in the global south, where we live, which bears the brunt of climate change. The UAE Food Tech Challenge is a $2 million global competition to support pioneering startups working to build more resilient food systems. In 2024, on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly, we launched our third competition. We received over 1,200 submissions from 113 countries. These applicants went through 3 rounds of rigorous judging by a panel of global experts. In September, we announced the top 10 finalists who offer exciting breakthroughs to produce more food with fewer natural resources. Since then, the finalists have met our global and local partners, developed plans for how to use their share of the prize, and will help reshape our food systems. Today, it is my privilege to introduce you to our 10 remarkable finalists before we announce our 4 winners.
In the category of food production, from the United Kingdom, Permia Sensing. Permia Sensing pioneers the use of bioacoustic sensors and drone imaging to monitor palm farms and detect deadly pests like the red palm weevil, boosting yields and supporting more sustainable palm agriculture. From the United Arab Emirates, HiveGeo. HiveGeo transforms agricultural waste into biochar to create an all-natural forever fertilizer that sequesters carbon, improving soil health, reducing the need for irrigation, and addressing greenhouse gas emissions. From Egypt, Pevita. Pevita converts palm waste into beta-carotene and pectin to create high-value ingredients for food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics, replacing synthetics, driving circular production, and turning waste into profits. From the United Arab Emirates, Homeport. Homeport infuses irrigation and potable water with nanobubbles to maximize oxygenation and nutrient uptake, increasing crop yields and livestock growth for more efficient food systems. From Malaysia, Seedling. Seedling harnesses the power of seaweed fermentation to create natural biostimulants that can boost plant and animal vitality, offering a climate-resilient solution for healthier growth, higher yields, and stress-tolerant crops. In the category of food loss and waste. From the United Kingdom, Flybox. Flybox offers a climate-controlled, off-grid, and modular solution to produce animal feed and fertilizer from waste, making insect waste management systems more efficient, affordable, and accessible. From the United States, Acorn Technology. Acorn is an all-natural coating made from waxes, oils, and plant proteins to slow ripening and reduce moisture loss of fresh produce after harvest, extending shelf life and cutting food loss through the supply chain. From France, Jabu. Jabu is an AI-powered software platform arming commercial kitchens with data to better forecast demand and dynamically distribute excess food, reducing food waste and protecting profitability. From the United States, the Hungry app. The Hungry app is a dynamic digital platform connecting homes and restaurants to redistribute excess edible food in real time, reducing food waste and strengthening community ties. From Kenya, EcoRich Solutions. EcoRich has developed a modular, off-grid, and AI-powered waste bot to rapidly create fertilizer at the point of waste, decentralizing production, replacing synthetic alternatives, and cutting costs for farmers.
To help me congratulate the 4 winners, I'd like to invite our distinguished panel of judges and our incredible partners up to the stage.
And now, the moment the finalists have been waiting for. In the category of food production, the winner is Permia Sensing.
Our service is based on image, acoustics, and AI. Our bioacoustic sensor allows the farmer to listen to the trees and early detect pests like the red palm weevil, but also stress related to hydration. We cover 15,000 hectares of coconut and palm oil plantations in Sri Lanka. Our next step is to go to the Middle East, when we can solve the issue with the red palm weevil and bring innovation to agriculture and the economy of the Emirates. The Food Tech Challenge prize is for us to set our base in Abu Dhabi, a base that will serve the other countries of the MENA region. It's also access to stakeholders, to research institutes, to governments, to universities, so we can bring the best talent from the country to help us to take our technology further and localize it for the most benefit to the MENA region.
And our second winner of the food production category is HiveGeo.
One bold claim that we can make is that we can transform deserts from liabilities to national assets by cutting water use, producing food, and storing carbon at scale. We are solving food security and climate changes here in the United Arab Emirates and in arid regions. We do that by restoring soil, conserving water, and removing CO2 at the same time. We produce highly engineered biochar designed specifically for desert sand across the United Arab Emirates and the wider global south. It is inoculated with microbial blends and nutrients, accelerating soil creation from 7 years down to 1 month. We call it Hive Soil. Food security in the desert is a national issue. We've seen firsthand how our land is becoming hotter and harder to farm. But we believe that planting seeds today is important so our future descendants can sit in the shade tomorrow. This is not just for us, it's for future generations who deserve food security, a greener land, and a livable planet.
And now, in the category of food loss and waste, the winner is Acorn Technology.
The problem we're trying to solve is that of waste of fresh fruits and vegetables in the supply chain. Most estimates put that waste figure in the 30, 40, sometimes up to 50% of the total harvested product. In order to succeed in the global south, you need to be able to address the specific needs, which means the products you offer, they need to be low cost, they need to be easy to use, and they need to be effective. And that's what we've been able to do. Our solution is totally natural and targets directly waste of fresh fruits and vegetables. What we do is we develop completely natural coatings that are applied on the surface of fruits and vegetables and reduce rate of waste, meaning they preserve fruits and vegetables, they last longer, and they are delivered to their final destination at a much higher quality. Core building block of our product is a protein we extract from non-GMO corn. This protein has been known for over 100 years, but it's never been functionalized in a way that can become cost-effective and useful in the...
And our final winner of the Food Tech Challenge in the category of food loss and waste is Flybox.
The boldest claim I can make about Flybox is it's the only circular solution to organic waste. There's simply no other solution that can claim to take food and take it back to food, because it's for the first time a truly circular solution. So food waste actually becomes food once again via insects and their fertilizer. And so that's fundamentally why we prefer it. It's zero waste, and it also happens to be 50% less CO2 emitted per every ton of food waste. I think Flybox's solution is really well suited to the arid parts of the world and the global south, because it's low infrastructure, it works off-grid, requires a lot less engineering and entomology know-how because we manufacture them and put them on site, and they're basically turnkey. So the Food Tech Challenge prize money, if we're successful, is going to go into two main camps. One is our polytunnel range with a potential customer actually that we've identified in Kenya, and the other one would be a waste management partnership with a university that we've already been working with in the UAE to do the first containerized site in the UAE. So it should hopefully be a game changer in both those markets.
Congratulations once again for all our Food Tech Challenge winners. And as they pose for a group photo, please join us in congratulating these outstanding startups who have been chosen from over 1,200 global applications. We wish the very best of luck to all of them as they scale their solutions from the UAE to the rest of the world in service of a more sustainable and secure global food system.